Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Charles Schwab Brokerage account. First, let's get you started. Opening an account is straightforward and can be done entirely online in about 10 minutes. Many accounts require no minimum deposit, making it accessible for everyone. Once your account is set up, you can explore a wide range of investment options, including individual stocks, bonds, and thousands of mutual funds, to begin building your portfolio with confidence and ease. Once logged in, your account dashboard provides a clear overview of your investments, including current balances and performance metrics. Charles Schwab offers robust research tools, including analyst reports and market insights, to help you make informed decisions. You can also customize alerts for specific stock prices or breaking news related to your holdings, ensuring you stay updated on your portfolio's activity throughout the day. Executing trades on Charles Schwab is designed to be intuitive. You can easily place buy or sell orders for a variety of assets, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, and options. The platform supports different order types, such as market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to control your entry or exit price. Always take a moment to review all order details, including quantity and price, before confirming your trade. Effective portfolio management is key to long-term success. Charles Schwab provides comprehensive reports to help you monitor your investment's performance and understand your asset allocation. Regularly rebalancing your portfolio ensures it remains aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Furthermore, leverage the extensive educational resources available, from articles to webinars, to continuously enhance your investing knowledge and make smarter financial choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.